Have you ever wondered how wild horses thrive on islands isolated from the mainlands and the rest of the world? It's a question that might pique your curiosity, and rightly so. Today we're embarking on a journey to discover the fascinating phenomenon of wild horse islands. Picture this: islands scattered across the globe, each a unique haven for wild horses. These islands, many of which are untouched by human civilization, play host to these majestic creatures. They offer an intriguing glimpse into a world where wild horses rule, roaming freely, away from the hustle and bustle of the modern world. In this video, we'll be exploring these wild horse islands in depth. We'll uncover how these horses survive and thrive in their unique environments, and delve into the intricacies of their island life. We'll also delve into the impact these horses have on their islands and the wider world. Now let's dive into the fascinating world of wild horse islands. Wild horse islands exist in different parts of the world. This phrase brings to mind images of untamed equine beauty, galloping freely across sandy shores, and grazing peacefully under the gentle sway of island palms. But where exactly are these wild horse islands, and how did these majestic creatures find their way there? Let's start with Assateague Island, a barrier island on the east coast of the United States. The wild horses here, known as the Assateague horses, are believed to have come from shipwrecked Spanish galleons. The survivors, left to fend for themselves, have since evolved into resilient island dwellers. Moving north, we find Sable Island, a remote island in Canada. This sandy, fog-enshrouded island is home to over 400 wild horses. Uniquely, these horses are descendants of Acadian horses, confiscated during the expulsion of the Acadians in the 18th century and abandoned on Sable Island. Last but not least, we have Cumberland Island in the USA. This island's wild horses, unlike their counterparts on Assateague and Sable, are believed to be descendants of horses brought over by Spanish missionaries in the 16th century. Surviving on a diet of sea oats and marsh grass, these horses have adapted to the salty environment, embodying the spirit of survival. But how do these horses survive in such harsh environments? It's a combination of resilience, adaptability, and a little bit of luck. They've adapted to the availability of food and water on these islands, grazing on native grasses, and drinking from freshwater ponds. Their survival is a testament to the power of adaptation and evolution. The wild horse islands are a fascinating study of nature's resilience and adaptability. Despite challenges such as harsh weather, limited food sources, and isolation, these horses have managed to thrive in their unique environments. They remind us that life, given the chance, will always find a way. Despite the challenges, these wild horses have adapted to their unique environments, a testament to nature's resilience. Their stories of survival and adaptation are not just fascinating tales, but a living testament to the enduring spirit of life in the wild. The life of these island horses is both thrilling and challenging. Living wild and free, they graze on the sparse vegetation of the island, their diet primarily consisting of grasses, leaves, and the occasional fruit. They've learned to make do with less, a testament to their resilience. In terms of social structure, they live in tight-knit herds, each overseen by a dominant stallion. This structure provides a sense of security and helps them ward off threats. Speaking of threats, they face a fair share. From harsh weather conditions to limited resources and predators, life on the island is far from easy. But don't be fooled. These horses are survivors. They've adapted to their circumstances, developing thick coats to withstand the chill of the winters and learning to find water sources during the dry summers. They've even learned to swim between islands in search of food. These horses truly embody the spirit of survival and adaptation. The existence of these wild horses has a significant impact on their respective islands. Let's dive a bit deeper into this. These wild horses, in their own unique way, shape the environment they inhabit. They graze on vegetation, keeping it under control and preventing overgrowth. This grazing activity promotes the growth of certain plant species, contributing to biodiversity. However, it's not all roses. Overgrazing can lead to soil erosion and degradation, which can disrupt the delicate ecological balance. But here's another twist. These horses are not just important for the island ecosystems, but they also hold immense significance from a tourism and conservation perspective. Their wild and untamed beauty draws in tourists from all around the globe, boosting local economies. Moreover, they are living symbols of our natural heritage, reminding us of the need to preserve and protect our environment. As we can see, these wild horses play a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance of these islands. So, we've journeyed through the world of wild horse islands. We've discovered these unique habitats that are home to wild horses, living and thriving in their natural environment. We've delved into the fascinating lives of these majestic creatures, understanding their survival strategies and their significant role in maintaining the balance of these island ecosystems. Next time